Hi, welcome to my new listing here at Long Hill Village, Trumbull's most sought-after 55 and over community. These condominiums were designed for elderly people in mind because of the lack of stairs. Great eating kitchen with a large dining area, an abundance of cabinets, large living room, dining room combination. You're also going to find the first floor laundry, the full bath with a stand-up shower, and a main level bedroom as well. From the family room, you're going to find a door that leads you out to the private rear deck. It's very tranquil, very peaceful, great to sit out there on the sunny days. Upstairs, you're going to find a primary master suite. This is a great room for an au pair or even a live-in nurse. Great closet space and also a nice large full bath. If you're downsizing, you're not going to have to throw everything away because downstairs you've got a really large basement that's great for storage. Thanks for taking this tour with me. If you're interested, give me a call. Have a good day.